Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to be talking about the workshop that AK Academy PowerLearn Inc. will be holding from February 15th to February 19th. We are going to start off each workshop with a science experiment. Here is a list of the different science experiments we will be doing in the workshops. We will also be doing science enrichment activities on top of these experiments. These include exploratory activities / competitions that are related to the science experiment, case studies to delve deeper into specific science concepts. We're going to be learning about some scientists and playing some science games. Now I'm going to take a few moments to explain some future AK Academy PowerLearn Inc. initiatives to explain where the proceeds from this workshop will be going. So our goal for the near future is to aid lower-income communities in India with their science learning process. So India Today mentioned the rural schools are still stuck on inculcating rote learning in its students. This has to change. This is the issue that we will be addressing with our future initiatives. We will be packaging our science experiments in a way that is accessible for these students. We will also provide materials that not everyone might have with these compilations so that they can follow along with the experiment. Another initiative we will be taking on is holding a competition in a region in Tamil Nadu, India. We will ask students to describe a science passion that they have and propose a project to delve deeper into this passion. We will select 5 students from the applicant pool, and we will provide them with a mentorship opportunity and an initial grant. So the mentorship opportunity will be with science professionals that will be able to speak with them and help them prepare for the future. And the grant will be for them to carry out this project that they proposed. After they carry out this project, I will select one student based on how they used the grant for a grant scholarship that they can use for their education and for their project. And we hope to make this a sustainable yearly program. To learn more about our initiatives, check out our website, powerlearnscience.org/thefuture. So I'm so excited to see all of you there at the workshop. For more information, to register, to sign up to volunteer, to learn about our past workshops, you can check out these links. And if you have any further questions, you can email me at kidspowerlearn@gmail.com. Thank you for learning more about our workshop, and I hope to see all of you there.